Joining us now to talk about this, our legal analyst, Whitney Boan. Whitney, I just read that statement. You heard it. It sounds like one of you lawyer types got a hold of Ryan Lochte. Am I right?
I don't know if I can confirm or deny that, Bob. But what I will say is that it's very careful a way to not say I was not robbed and I'm saying I was not robbed. What it is saying is that maybe I didn't describe it in a way that is consistent with how other people perceived the incident, which is interesting. So we'll see what happens as a result of that, because Brazil's interested in having him indicted, or at least the police are, is my understanding. And
not only the police, but also the Olympic Committee and everything, you know, because he could be barred from swimming. If he comes out and he says, I'm sorry, yeah, I lied, basically. If he does that, isn't it game over for him?
Well, as a lawyer, I would probably advise him not to go that route and admit that he lied, because then he'd be admitting the basis of the crime if they wanted to charge him or indict him for providing a false report to police. However, yes, that would probably bring about a chain of events. I don't know what's going to happen at this point. It remains to be seen in light of the other statements that were given from the other swimmers who have now been interviewed, because Brazil was able to do that while they were still there, as opposed to Lochte, who came back to the States before they were able to question him.
There's another part of the statement, though, that says he basically doubles down on the robbery thing. He says, you know, you don't know how you're going to react when a gun is in your face and people rob you. So he's still kind of holding to his story.
Well, I believe what he stated, and again, it was probably very carefully crafted, was that you don't know how you're going to react when someone holds a gun to your face and demands money from you. So I think that the approach is that, you know, maybe these individuals, maybe they had the right to do that, but still you don't know how you're going to react in that situation, is the approach that Lochte and likely his lawyer are taking.
We're out of time, but Whitney, it's safe to say he won't be buying any Rio tickets anytime soon. He won't be going back there?
I would advise him against that.
That's probably sage advice, sage advice. Whitney Boan, good to talk to you. Thank you.